Hello and welcome back to the Kicking It podcast. This is your co-host Just Beast and
I'm your co-host Sean.
today we are going to be doing another segment of the 433 interview between Liverpool and the Reds, Manchester United. So we'll start off by getting to know these guys. Tell us about yourselves, why you support the team you support.
Hello, my name is Stewart. I have been here before. Reigning champion has come back. I'm a Manchester United fan. You know me. Yes, we are here to win again.
It's a pleasure to meet you, the reigning champions. Kunyesha. Thank you.
Okay, my name is Collins, a Liverpool supporter, affiliate.
So why do you two support the teams you support?
Yeah, because you are the best.
Because you're better than them.
And yet you are not on top of us on the table.
Hey.
Yes, bring on the questions.
Well, this is interesting. There's a few heated arguments about someone being on top of the other. It's like you're on heat when it's okay.
Yeah,
That's why it's a heated argument.
Yeah, but we love to test their knowledge first.
Yes. So we'll start off with a few general questions for you.
Yeah.
Anyone is free to answer it, and you have to answer it within 10 seconds.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Bring them on.
Make it 5.
Which player scored the fastest hat trick in the Premier League?
I don't know.
This was back in 2015.
2015.
Yeah.
2015. Which team?
Hints.
If it was in 2015, it's probably not in that team by now.
Give us
a hint.
ABCD
Okay, he's
teams.
currently playing for Liverpool.
Liverpool.
Yeah.
Okay, time's up. It's Sadio Mane. He scored a hat-trick in 2 minutes and 56 seconds for Southampton versus Aston Villa in 2015. Which player with 653 games has made the most Premier League appearances?
Steven Gerrard.
Oh no, I don't know. Pass.
His name is Gareth Barry.
You were not born when he was playing.
3 players share the record for most Premier League red cards. 8. Who are they?
8.
It cannot be Sergio Ramos because he does not play
Smalling.
in the Premier League. It cannot be Smalling.
No.
Gerrard.
No. Pass.
It's Patrick Vieira,
Sako.
Richard Dune,
Sako.
and Duncan Ferguson.
We were not watching football and
At that time.
most of them were playing.
Who is the Premier League all-time top scorer?
Alan Shearer.
Correct.
Very smart.
When was the inaugural Premier League season?
19.
What does inaugural mean first?
First Premier League season.
It was in 1972.
No,
False.
1990 something, 96.
Almost, but you are. Yes, it was in 1992, 93
So
season.
I said 72, so and he said 1990 something.
Who is close?
2 and
1990 something and 1972 is close.
Yeah. On to the next question. Which team won the first Premier League title?
Manchester United.
Correct.
That was
The next question. With 202 clean sheets, which goalkeeper has the best record in the Premier League?
Peter Cech.
Correct.
Allah.
Yeah. Next question. How many clubs competed in the inaugural Premier League season?
18.
Close enough.
Close enough.
16.
No, you're
20.
going colder.
21.
Hotter.
Close.
22.
Correct.
Guesswork. Yeah.
Yeah. Which 3 players shared the Premier League Golden Boot in 2018?
Salah.
Aubameyang.
Sadio Mane.
Aubameyang and Mane.
Sadio Mane and
Aubameyang and Salah.
Aubameyang, Sadio Mane, Salah.
Correct.
The same thing.
You did not complete the list.
we both shared the points. So
Yes.
It's okay. Yeah. The fastest goal scored in the Premier League history came in 7.69 seconds. Who
Sadio
scored
Mane.
it?
No.
No.
Gareth Bale.
No.
No.
Some guy from Southampton.
Yeah.
Yes.
Ings.
Not Ings.
No.
Shane Long. Not
Yes.
Long.
Again.
Long.
Yeah.
No. Yes.
No.
Shane
Long.
Yes, no.
Long.
Yes,
Shane
no.
Long.
Yes, it was Shane Long.
Against which team?
I cannot remember.
Man U.
Pass.
Manchester.
West Ham.
Against Watford.
W. West Ham. Watford. W.
So that's it for the first set of general questions.
Which I won.
The Red Devils seem to be on top of the Liverpool team.
The Red Devils actually.
Yes.
We'll pull up our socks.
So now we'll be heading on to a set of individual questions to see whether you know much about your team, to test the knowledge that you have of your team.
I think we should start by with Manchester.
Yes.
Ladies first. They're on top.
Let's start with the United fan here.
Mm-hmm.
The first question is, which player took the number 7 jersey after Cristiano Ronaldo left?
Memphis Depay.
Wrong.
Di Maria. I cannot remember who.
It was Michael Owen.
Michael Owen played after Ronaldo.
He took the number 7 jersey.
From Ronaldo.
Yeah.
Yes.
So you are wrong. So let's go to Liverpool question.
Okay.
Against which team is Liverpool's derby match?
Derby match.
Yes.
Against which team?
Yes.
Yeah, I'll have to go with Tottenham.
You are almost almost wrong.
He was
You are very wrong. It is Everton.
Okay.
We are back to Manchester United.
Who scored the winning goal for Manchester United in the 2-1 Champions League final victory in 1999?
Ole Gunnar Solskjaer.
Wow, correct.
It was against?
Bayern Munich.
Wow.
Correct.
Okay. Collins.
Yes.
Who was the captain of Liverpool when they won the Champions League in 2005?
2005.
Hint.
Yeah. I wasn't supporting Liverpool at that time.
But who was the captain?
I wasn't supporting Liverpool at that
Steven
time.
Gerrard.
It was Steven Gerrard.
I wasn't supporting the team at that time.
This is very easy.
Who was Manchester United top scorer in 2018-2019 season?
2018-2019.
Season.
Lukaku.
Wrong.
Who was playing?
2018.
Rashford.
2019.
Wrong.
Martial.
Wrong.
Give up.
It was Paul Pogba. He scored 13 goals.
That was when Pogba was a star.
Yeah.
He's still a star.
Okay, I will ask you an easy question
Yes.
to try and salvage your reputation.
True.
So, what is the name of Liverpool FC home ground?
Anfield.
Yes, it is Anfield. Correct.
Yeah.
You get that one right.
Okay, on to the next question. Which two players were suspended for Manchester United 1999 Champions League final triumph?
Pass.
Roy Keane and Paul Scholes.
Never would have guessed that one.
How many European Cup League titles has Liverpool won?
League titles. European league titles. 18.
Hey!
Goja, league titles.
Champions League.
Oh, champion. 6.
Yes, it's 6.
What nickname did United fans give to Eric Cantona?
I don't know.
Kill.
Because he beat one man, I don't know. Pass.
No, he was nicknamed as the King.
The King.
Yeah.
Okay, we are headed to
penalty.
a round of last questions, and I will be asking you, Liverpool fan,
Yes.
when was Liverpool FC founded?
Aye. 19. 18.
Correct. It was 1892. You guessed it, but you were right.
Let's guess.
I think that concludes it for.
Okay,
We have one more.
I had one last question for you.
Okay.
Which
Just
Brazilian twin brothers played for Manchester United?
Pass.
Pass.
Can't you at least guess a Brazilian
Yes.
I don't know any Brazilian that played for.
Ronaldinho.
No.
Ronaldinho played for Man United.
They were actually defenders. Rafael and Fabio.
They were brothers.
Yeah, they were twins.
Rafael is
Actually,
Brazilian.
there was a time. Actually, Ferguson confused them both during the game.
I don't know.
So if you'd like to salvage yourselves, would you want a round of bonus questions?
Yeah, I will ask him for all my points. If you get this, you get all my points.
Huh?
Who did Klopp confuse in the current season? Who
Yes.
did Klopp confuse your defender Ben Davies for?
Ben Davies.
Eh,
During the match or
after the match.
after the match?
Who did he confuse Ben Davies for?
Ozak.
No. Klopp confused Ben Davies for Ben Davies. He did not know he had a player in his team called Ben Davies.
That was a trick question.
No,
Last question.
there are two Ben Davises in the Nini.
In Liverpool.
There are two Ben Davises in England.
I know.
Now the one plays
You
for
knew that?
Liverpool. One plays for Liverpool. He was signed from some shitty team. I can't remember which one. And then there's the Ben Davies everybody knows. The one everybody puts in their fantasies.
Okay,
I have one last question for the United fan.
Yes, ask me. And if I get, I win all of Colo's points.
And if you lose, it
Sure.
How many Premier League titles has United won?
Hey. 16.
Wrong.
From 18,
Wrong.
17.
Wrong.
26.
13 Premier League titles.
Uh,
And when was the last time United won the Premier League?
2013. Thank you for having me. It was a nice podcast. I won again, the champ. Please bring people who are at my level.
So there you have it. Liverpool fan Collins, the onus is on you. You have to do much more to beat your opponents.
You need to up your game.
Yeah,
I'll
like,
try,
share,
I'll try.
subscribe. Yes, and comment other matchups you would like to see.